Yo there guys, welcome to my channel. Please hit the like button, subscribe. So guys, today I am doing a unboxing of a Jag XJ220. It's an old fashioned car by that company there, and it is a 1:4 scale model of the car. So I bought it from another shop, a local shop. So what's inside the box? What you normally expect. So instructions, normal decals really, your number plates, the window stuff, the extra stuff what you normally get, rubber for you, the actual wheels. So obviously you get the see-through plastic, the actual car, that's the body. Then that's the underneath the car, the bottom. Then you get this. This has got I might go just a standard colour. I don't know what colour I'm going to go yet, but I am going to go standard. I haven't got anything really for this yet. I've only got the model and no paint, so I can't really do the paint at the moment.